Hello and welcome to today's 2-minute tutorials on multiplication patterns. First, let's review our multiplication facts, should we? Let's do the ones that rhyme. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 and 7 tied their shoe. When they got up, they were 42. 6 times... got stuck there. My bad. 7 times 7 is 49. Oh, I just knew that one I'd be doing fine. 8 and 8 fell on the floor. When they got up, they were 64. How old do you have to be to drive a 4x4? That's right, 16. 8 times 7 in order, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a couple of our multiplication patterns. Let's go over here, or our rhymes. Let's go over here and look at this multiplication pattern. So we have 6 times 8 is 48. We have a rhymer. And what is 10 to the first power? That's just 110. 48 times 10 would be 48 with 1 0, or 480. 6 times 8 is still 48. How about 48 times 10 to the second power, or 10 squared? Well, 10 squared would be a 1 with 2 zeros, or 10 times 10, which is 100. So then we get 48 times 100, which is 4,800. 2 zeros. See the pattern? 2 zeros, 2 zeros. How about this? 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 10 to the third. Well, 10 to the third is 1,000. How do I know that? It's a 1 with how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 48 times 1,000 is 48,000. And then finally, this last problem here, how old do you have to be to drive a 4x4? 16. And then 16 times 10 to the fifth power. Well, let's just put a 16 with how many zeros? You're starting to see the pattern. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me switch colors really quick to finish this up. And let's look at every 3 we put a comma. So we go 1, 2, 3, always starting in the ones place, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. And finally, let's read this number 1. Remember that comma says million. So we have 1 million. Then we read just this section. So we have 1,600,000. Then we read the comma, 1,000, and we're done. 1,600,000. Thank you. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.